Just a vast amount of different aspects of art and design.
Is essentially to provide a foundation for anyone wishing to pursue a career in the creative industries. So what that means is, yes, of course, it's going to try to develop people's practical art and design skills, but it is also about professional skills as well.
When they come to do a foundation, they'd have A-levels or they'd have a national diploma, and they'd come on a foundation course in order to find out what specialist area they were interested in moving into.
I've gone through a lot of areas this year. I've gone through Frin, I've done a lot of 3D work because mainly I want to go into interior architecture and spatial design.
I think my progression and my work ethic has got a lot better this year than it was like a year ago, just because I got to really explore what I wanted to do for the first time with the makeup, and I really enjoyed it. I think as the year went along, I feel like I understood more about what I was supposed to do and what I wanted to do.
We survey the students, we find out what it is they're interested in pursuing later, what they're enjoying, what they're good at doing, and then we redesign aspects of the course to allow them to achieve those aims.
This course really grounds you in the things you want to learn. You learn lots of different areas, and then you can choose what you want from then on and then go into a particular section you want to learn in.
Once you've done that, it's about building the portfolio and developing those skills in order to be able to achieve that goal. So that might be going to university. It could also be about looking into internships or other possibilities of trying to build your career that way.
The course here is actually run in an area where we run degrees, so we've got lots of specialist equipment. We've also got highly specialised and very well qualified tutors as well, who all teach on the foundation course.
There's all the lecturers and tutors who specialise in those fields, and if you need to know something, you can go up to them and ask them, and they're all friendly and will help you.
I'm going on to study fine arts at the Slade. As I progressed throughout the year, I started learning how to do different types of art, and it's really helped a lot in my development. I think it's very important for anyone that wants to go into the creative industry to do a foundation course. I would highly recommend you do it.
My final project, I was looking at how science fiction has influenced design. I thought I'd use traditional crafts like marquetry to show the visuals of touchscreen interface and sort of digital maps and circuitry, but apply it with marquetry, so it's got sort of the reverse of science fiction, sort of going back on itself almost.
This old bread bin from a second-hand shop that cost me like 20p, cleaned it all up and sanded it all down. It would almost be